Hi, I'm Aletha with WTI. This is the most easiest TV wall mount that I've ever used. It was so simple to put together, so easy to put on the wall. All the instructions was there for me, and I'm just me. I didn't have to use a whole lot of tools, just a few tools from around my house, a drill, and a ratchet wrench, a screwdriver, and this thing was put up in minutes. I'm telling you, it really only took about 5 minutes to put it up. Once I got it on the wall, it was so easy to put the TV on. It's sturdy, it's strong, and it holds up to a 70-pound TV. Now my TV is not that heavy, thank goodness. So let me just show you. So not only was it easy to put the wall mount together, but it was really easy to put the brackets onto the back of the TV so that I can hang it very easily. It came with all the nuts and the bolts and the spacers that I needed. So it comes with different size spacers, different size bolts, so you won't have any problem matching it to the TV that you use. Putting it up is so easy. Once you have the top part on, all you do is pull down on these little cords, and voila, the TV is in place, and it will not come down because this wall mount is awesome. I love it, I highly recommend it, and that is just my point of view.